All right, the last part of this first unit of your SOL review packet, which we'll keep in the room until we have it all ready to put together, is about the characteristics of life. So you might need to go back to your notes to look this up, but it says define the main characteristics of life below. So tell me something about these characteristics. What do they mean? Now, if you notice, there's not a whole lot of space, so I'm not looking for a book here. So kind of summarize, what does it mean? So number one, go find out what does it mean that all living things have cellular organization. Number two, all living things need energy. We call that metabolism. Number three, all living things maintain homeostasis. Number four, all living things reproduce. Number five, all living things have DNA. Number six, all living things respond to their environment. Number seven, all living things grow and develop. And number eight, living things can adapt, and that leads to evolution. And then the second part of this is identify the following situations as one of the 8 characteristics of life from above. So you have these different scenarios, and then tell me which of the characteristics is being described here. So the first scenario A, tobacco plants have been modified to glow by the addition of genes from lightning bugs. That's true, I didn't make that up. B, a giraffe eats the leaves off of a tree. C, when looking through a microscope at a sample of elephant skin, you see thousands of cells. D, a human being gets goosebumps and shivers when it's cold outside. E, we shiver in a cold environment in order to warm our bodies. So be careful with D and E. So these are 2 separate characteristics of life. D describing we get goosebumps and we shiver when it's cold. And E, we shiver when it's cold in order to warm our bodies. F, a sperm and an egg meet to create an embryo. G, Arctic hares are white in color to blend in with their surroundings to avoid predators. And H, as humans age, their skin loses its elasticity and begins to wrinkle and sag. So each of these are going to be used once. None of them will be used twice.